Find minor and cofactor of elements of the determinant of 2 cross 2 order. The 2 cross 2 order says about it contains of 2 rows and 2 columns. That is nothing but row cross column, so 2 cross 2 order. At this video, we are going to explain the minor and cofactor of elements of determinant with trick and without trick. So let's start with it. Even we can find the minor and cofactor of elements of determinant of 3 cross 3 order also. But for solving the 3 cross 3 order, we need the help of the 2 cross 2. So let's clear the concept of 2 cross 2, then we will move to the 3 cross 3. Okay, now the determinant will be given with the respective row and respective column will be mentioned of 2 cross 2. Now for the example, for the explanation, we have took over here about A11, A12, A21, A22. This all elements term are occurred from the Aij term. The Aij term says that A is an element, I means the row and J means the column, and element A should be placed at the respective row and the respective column. This is what the Aij term says. Okay, if any queries occurred related to the Aij term, so no problem, we will get it at the description link also, so no more worry. Now the A11 element says about the A element is placed at the first row and first column. Okay, A12 element, 1 represent the row and 2 represent the column. First row, second column. Yes, and the A21 A element is placed as second row, first column. A22 element, the element A is placed as second row, second column. This is what the Aij term says. Now for the example, we took about Aij term. Now we will take one more example also, so even more doubt will clear. Like related to the terms we will take. First we will clear the concept with the Aij term to find the minor and cofactor, and we will move to the numbers with the term. Okay, so first let's clear the concept at the Aij term. Now we need to find the minor for each and every element of the determinant present. Yes, so first let's take the A11 element, in which A11 element is present in first row, first column. Take the minor of A11 element. So minor of A11 is equal to M of 11. The minor we are going to represent the symbol as M, capital M. So minor of M11. So while finding the minor elements, we need to hide the respective row and the respective column mentioned at the specific minor. The row and column mentioned at the minor, we need to just hide it. That is M of 11, that is minor of 11. So hide the first row and the first column. If we will hide it, we will get the term as leftover term. That is nothing but the A22. So minor of A11 is equal to A22. This is how we need to find the minor of these specific elements. We have came across only one element. Now more 3 elements to do more for completing the minor elements. That is nothing but M of 12, right? So minor of A12 is equal to M of 12. What will be the value of M of 12? In which we need to hide the specific row and the specific column mentioned at the minor. So we need to hide the first row and second column. If we will hide it first row and second column, we will get the term leftover term is nothing but the A21 elements. That is nothing but the minor of M12 elements. Yes, we have came across the 2 element. Now more 2 elements are left. That is nothing but A21. So minor of A21 is equal to M of 21. And what will be the value of M21, in which we need to hide the second row and first column of the determinant given. If we will hide it, we will get the term as A12. Now minor of A22 element is equal to M of 22 element. Yes, so minor of second row and second column will be hidden. The leftover term remaining is M of 22 element is equal to A11 element. Found the minor of 2 cross 2 order. Now let's represent in the determinant form also. Yes, so at this respective row and respective column, we need to mention at the determinant. Now A11, that is the first row, first column. So M of 11 is nothing but A22. Yes, so we need to write over here. And minor of A12 element, that is over here, first row, second column, that is nothing but A21 element. We need to place at the respective row and the respective column from the question given. over here, minor of A21 element, A21 second row first column, and the answer is A12. Minor of A22, that is nothing but second row second column, and the answer is A11 element. This is how we need to represent at the determinant. Find the minor and the cofactor of elements of the determinant. Now let's find the cofactor of elements of determinant. Now for finding the cofactor, we need the help of the minor. So we need to keep aside while doing the cofactor element, while finding the cofactor element. So let's start with it. Now we have the formula for the cofactor element, that is nothing but cofactor of the specific element with the respective row and the respective column is equal to minus 1 of raised to I plus j into mij. Okay, this ij represent the row column, I means row and j means column, and this m represent the minor of the specific row and the specific column. Yes, this is the formula for finding the cofactor of elements of the determinant. Now let's apply for each and every elements. Total 4 elements, so we are going to apply it one by one. So let's start with the first row first column, that is nothing but A11. Cofactor of C11 element, that is the cofactor of first row and first column, is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into mij, that is nothing but m of 1 because we are finding the cofactor of C11, so we need to take the elements of minor of 1. So C11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 of the respective row and respective column, and the m of 1 value will be A22. That's what we need to mention over here. So if we will do the calculation, for the calculation, that is nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 2 and A22. So we will get the answer as A22. This is what we need to do the cofactor elements. Now we have completed just with the one element. Now more 3 elements are left over. So let's start with it. Now the C of 1 2 element is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 and minor of 1 2 by the formula. So m of 1 2 value is A21. We have written over here. So minus 1 raised to cube A21. Okay, and we will get the answer as minus of A21 because minus 1 raised to cube is minus 1. Yes, so we have came across it. Now the cofactor of second row first column is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 respective row and respective column. We need to add it, and the m21 value, okay, by the formula m21 value is A12. That's what we have mentioned over here. If we would do the calculation, we would get the answer as minus of A12. Cofactor of second row and second column is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 by the formula and mij. So m22 value is equal to A11. That's what we have mentioned over here. If we will do the calculation, then we will get the answer as A11 element. We have came across even the cofactor element. Now let's represent at the determinant. Yes. Now cofactor of the first row and first column will be mentioned at the first row and first column of the determinant. The value is A22 element. Cofactor of first row and second column is equal to minus 1 of A21 element. Cofactor of second row first column is equal to A12 element. Cofactor of second row and second column value is equal to A11 element. This is how we represent at the determinant. To the board format, we need to write in the specific way as we have mentioned over here. But if they have asked in the MCQs that we need to find the minor and cofactor, so we need to remember some of the tricks and tips, okay, to find the minor and cofactor just in a second. So let's start with the let us hide each and every steps, even the solution for finding the minor and cofactor. For using the tricks, just the question is displayed and we are going to find the minor and cofactor within a second by using the trick. So let's start with it. Now we are going to find the minor elements of the determinant. So for that, we need to specify the diagonal elements in which the diagonal elements will be interchanged. For example, for A11 element, the diagonal element is A22, and for A12 element, the diagonal element is A21 element. Find the cofactor elements, write the minor elements on the determinant form, and even we need to change the sign of the diagonal element a12 and a21. That is nothing but if it is positive then we need to convert negative, but if it is negative then we need to convert into positive only for the element a12 and a21 only. Let's check the answer, that is without trick and with trick. The answer is absolutely same. The examples in which we need to find the minor and cofactor of elements of determinant of 2 cross 2. As previously we have seen with the aij term. Yes, now we are going to take a term and we are going to find the minor and cofactor. The procedure is absolutely same. To find the elements of the determinant in aij form, that is nothing but a11 element, a12 element, a21 element, a22 element, then it will be so easy to do it. So that's what we have mentioned over here. If we are not doing by a11, a12, then also it's okay. Yes, so let's do it. So minor of a11 element, that is nothing but minor of 2, we are going to find it. Yes, so minor of a11 is equal to m of 11, and m of 11 value will be, we need to hide the respective row and respective column in which the minor is present. So we are going to find the minor of 2, so just hide the first row and first column. If we will hide it, then the remaining element is 7. That's what we have written over here. Side by side, if we are doing with the cofactor also, then it will be easy to do it. C11 element, that is cofactor of 11 element, is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into m of 11. So m of 11 value is 7. Okay, this is by the cofactor formula as we have done previously. That's the same thing. Minus 1 raised to 2 into 7, that is nothing but 7. We have completed with the first element. Now the second, that is, let's take about a12 element. A12 element is over here, that is minus 3. So minus a minor of a12 is equal to m of 12. Yes, so we need to hide the respective row and respective column in which the minor is present. So minus 3 is present in first row and second column. Just hide it, and the leftover term, that is nothing but the 4. That is what the minor of 12. And the cofactor 12 element is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into m of 12. That's what we have mentioned over here. Just put the value of m of 12. If we have done with it, then we will get the answer of the C12. We have completed with the 2 elements. Now more 2 elements are still left. That is the a21 element. So minor of a21 element is equal to m of 21. Yes, so m of 21, we need to hide the respective row and respective column present over here. So for 4, second row and first column will be hidden, and the leftover term is nothing but the minus 3. That's what we have mentioned over here. And side by side we need to do it for the cofactor of second row first column. That is nothing but minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into m of 21, and m of 21 value is equal to minus 3. And we got the answer as plus 3. Yes, because minus 1 raised to cube is minus 1, and minus multiply by minus 3, so it will be plus 3. Now more one element, minor of a22 element over here, so it's nothing but 7. So we need to hide the respective row and respective column in which the 7 is present. If we will hide it, we will get the term as 2, and we need to find the cofactor of 2. Okay, the minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into m of 2. So if we will do the calculation, we will get the answer as 2. Completed with finding the minor and cofactor elements. Now we need to represent in the determinant. That is the one of the most important thing. So with the respective row and respective column, we need to mention. So m of 1 we have represented. So first row first column, first row first column, 7. Minor of 1 2, first row second column, that is nothing but 4. m21, second row first column, we got the answer as minus 3. Minor of m of 2 and we got the answer as 2. That is nothing but second row second column, and we got the answer as 2. This is what we have to represent in the minor determinant. Now let's represent at the cofactor. C of 1 is equal to 7, first row first column. C12 is equal to minus 4, first row second column. C21 is equal to plus 3, second row first column. Yes, and C2 is equal to 2, second row second column. This is how we need to represent the determinant. Now let's do some of the tricks. What is the rule for it? Yes, just hide each and everything, only the question will be displayed, and we need to find the minor and cofactor within a second. We are going to do it. That is nothing but at the question given, just interchange the diagonal element. This is my first diagonal element, and this is my second diagonal element. I'm going to interchange my first diagonal element, that is A11 and A22 are my first diagonal element. So in place of A11 I will take the A22 element, in place of A22 I will take the A11 element. That is nothing but 7 2. 2 7 will become as my 7 2. It's just interchanging the diagonal element. Now the other diagonal element, that is nothing but minus 3 4. Yes, so this will be also interchange over here. A12 will become as my A21 and A21 will become as my A12. This is how we are going to find the minor of elements or determinant with trig. Now cofactor elements, for finding the cofactor element, just write the minor element as like as. Yes, we have written with it, and we need to change the sign for elements of A12 and A21 element. For A12 it's in positive, so convert into negative. For A21 it's in negative, convert into positive. This is how we need to change the sign of A12 and A2 element. If we will cross check with the answer, it's absolutely same. That is, with using trig we found the minor and cofactor, and without using trig also we have found it. While writing doing the sum in the board, then we need to write the complete explanation of it. But while doing the MCQ question, this is watching this video. If this ignited maths is so helpful, then do like, share and subscribe it.